is a Navratri makeup tutorial. So I'm going to create this Navratri makeup look, and I know maybe I'm super late just because there are some reason behind this. I can't describe it right now what this was. I know that I need to post a makeup tutorial before 1 or 2 weeks ago, so you guys need to prepare yourself for what you need for Navratri makeup. But this is not going to be very heavy and different type of makeup. You just need a simple jewelry and simple hacks to do your amazing and super beautiful look for the Navratri look. And I'm going to create this in black one. I have a black dress, and my makeup is also going to be basic or black smoky eyes like. So guys, let's get started without any more further delay. The first thing, I need to change my dress. So let's change it. So guys, this is my beautiful black sequence dress. So this is completely a sequence work. Here you can see it, and this is such a very beautiful dress. You can find it in Meesho too. So here is the photo where I bought from, and I also provide you a link if you're interested. Then go and buy it. So it comes with a palazzo and a net dupatta. इसका दुपट्टा भी है काफ़ी ब्यूटीफुल है ना, क्वालिटी भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. और इसका जो दुपट्टा में भी हल्का सा बॉर्डर है जिसका सीक्वेंस वर्क है. और ये जो लाइट वेट में कितना विजिबल चमक रहा है, आप देखो उनके मेरा लाइट पड़ रहा है पूरा, क्या चमक. एंड पीछे से जो पूरा बेसिक क्लियर ब्लैक है, सामने से वर्क है, पूरा लॉन्ग सूट है, इसका वर्क है. और जो बहुत ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल है ब्लैक ड्रेस के जिसपे थोड़ा वाइट वाइट उनका वर्क, तो जो चमक है तो शादी में जब लाइट पड़ेगा ना आपके ड्रेस पे, तो आप ही बस दिखोगे किससे चमक है इसमें. So guys, the first thing you need to do is clean your face as well as your hands. So the first thing is definitely primer. If you don't have any primer, you can apply aloe vera gel too. You know, the primer is very important before you are doing any kind of makeup. It's very helpful to close the pores so the chemicals of the makeup do not get absorbed or penetrate into your face. So this is very important. If you don't have any kind of primer, you can also use aloe vera gel. So it is also provide a barrier to your skin, so the chemical don't penetrate into your skin and destroy your face. And also give a very smooth base for applying makeup or foundation. So definitely primer is one of the most important thing after the moisturizer. So use after this moisturizer. So now I'm done with my primer. This is very lightweight and get easily absorbed. So let's first start with eye makeup. You just need two things. The one is kajal and the second is a very nude color eyeshadow. So I have this. You can see this is the eyeshadow. So the first thing you need to apply your eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow palette, I mean the color should be as nude as your skin tone, so it will give a perfect look and perfect blend of your colors and the eyeshadow. So I think choose the color which should be perfect for your skin tone, such a nude color. And then you need the kajal, apply a thick line, apply a thick border of your line on your eyes. And then you need a brush. This kind of brush you need to smooth this eyeliners like kajal in your eyes and smooth it well and gently. And you just need a very little and very light color of black, and then apply it like I am doing. It should be very light, so just the kajal you have applied get it smooth perfectly. And then you need the kajal, or if you have eyeliner, use it and make a thick line on your eyes as per your choice. You can create different kind of eyeliner look as per your size, but mine very simply. And then you need to apply kajal on your thick line, and then you can apply a bold thick kajal and just curl your slices, and then apply your mascara, or if you want you can apply your eyelashes, fake eyelashes too, so it will give you such a bold and beautiful look. But I have this and my mascara work well, so my eyes definitely look elegant and beautiful. And this is the 2-minute cool eye look is done. So now it's time to perfect base foundation. So I have NY base foundation and I am using it for a warm foundation base, and now using a fixture. So apply fixture on your foundation and then dab it with the sponges. So it will definitely going to give you a cake free look and such a smooth base. So try this hack definitely even whenever you are doing makeup. makeup. So apply the foundation and just after spray out some pixie, it will definitely give you such a smooth base. So I really like this hack. You some guys definitely try this one. So now I am done with my foundation and now it's time to use the concealer. So if you are not a fan of foundation, you can simply apply this concealer, and I have this concealer which is very best, and I have told it many times to you guys. So this one is definitely from Maybelline conditioner, and now done. Okay, next is blush. So I have just sunset color of blush. So you can see I am applying this one. It will look peachy blue. And this is a hack that I want to share with you, that this is a way to how can you apply perfect blush. So you can say you have to just make your finger like this, and now at this area you have to just brush your blush, and this is the perfect way to apply the blush on the face. And then now it's time to do my eyebrows. So I am not very good in making my eyebrows, so this is just a simple way. Just apply eyebrow pencil and I'm done with my eyebrow too. अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनिया मौसम छे. So now I'm going to highlight my face with this Ronzille Cosmetic Greek highlighter, and it has such a 5 different highlighter colors. They all are so pigmented and pretty, and I'm using the silver one on my face just because of my look, and it will go definitely perfect with the black and white. So mostly we use this one, and just a little bit in my lower side of the eyebrow, so it will make my eyes more attractive just because my eye is so cool in color, and just a little bit of highlighter where your eyes are, it definitely make your eye look more attractive as well as bigger. And now your favorite lipstick, and I'm choosing this is a nude color, so this will look perfect on my face, and it's time tonight, so it will look good and perfect blend of my makeup. So guys, I'm done with my makeup. Such a beautiful and easy makeup look you can create at your Navratri and good birthday. So definitely it's gonna look very perfect and bright and easy as well. અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे होई गई रात અને ભૂલો. So now it's time to share a super amazing hack with you guys. So you saw that many people have using dot like something in their eyes and chin. I don't know what to call it, but if you're using this painting instead of the eyeliner or eye kajal, it will stay long even you are sweating, even using to touch your face, so they may get smudged. So definitely use this as a hack, and this will be perfect and long lasting. And now it's time to wear my jewelry. So you saw that I have a big silver ring, and this is a necklace. So I mean it's completely a set order, but I find that it will look more better on my hair. So I think it's like the body. So guys, I'm done with my makeup as well as jewelry. I think everything looks so perfect and set well with this Navratri and Garba look. And now like bangle, definitely bangles for sure. So guys, I hope you like it. I have shared lots of hacks with you, just like the foundation hack, means use foundation then spray it will give you flawless face, and then how to apply the blush and the bindi hack and everything. So I think this is just a quick and easy Navratri look. You should definitely create this one with how I did, and the cool eyes. This also look perfect. If you are wearing any black dress, so you should definitely try the cool eyes. And last, wish you all very happy Navratri and Durga Puja. So before doing makeup or wearing beautiful dress, feel your confidence well and play everywhere you go. So please subscribe, share my channel, and subscribe if you enjoy this. So please subscribe and let me know how you find it. So guys, stay tuned for the next and more upcoming videos. Bye bye.